My name is Dr. Yap Ban Ha, and I will share this problem with you. The problem is there is a bar of chocolate cut into 6 equal pieces, and there are 3 friends: Spiky, Curly, and Bunny. Bunny, she takes 1 piece. The problem is, how can Spiky and Curly share the rest of the chocolate bar? Talk to your friends about that. You have concrete materials. You can use cubes to build the chocolate bar. 1 cube to represent 1 slice. Or you can use counters like square tiles and anything else that you might have. Remember, when we solve a problem, we try to solve it in more than one way. Hopefully, you can get method 1 and method 2. And perhaps, on clever days, you might even get method 3. I wonder if today is a clever. Also remember, we agree to listen. We do not need to agree. Sometimes, when discussing things with our friends, we may have different opinions, different ideas, different solutions, different answers. That's all right. We agree to listen. We do not need to agree. Let us now try to solve the problem. Method 1. We can use concrete materials to help us. That represents the bar of chocolate, and Bunny gets 1 slice. Maybe Curly gets 2, and Spiky gets 3. We can also use square pieces like that. Do we know the name of each piece of chocolate? They are equal parts. 6 equal parts make 1. So the name of each piece, that's right, is a 6. So this is 1/6, this is another 1/6, and yet another 6, and so on. So we can say that Bunny gets 1/6, and Spiky and Curly, they share 5/6. We can write down the fraction to remind us what each represents. Method 2. Are there other possible ways Spiky and Curly can share the 5/6 of a chocolate bar? That's right. This is yet another way. In method 2, Spiky gets 4 pieces, 4/6, and Curly gets 1/6. Of course, Bunny has earlier taken the 1/6. Are there other possible ways? Method 3. Some of us think that there are many possibilities, and we can try to find out all of them by working systematically. Bunny, she gets 1/6 of the chocolate bar. That means of the 1 chocolate bar, after giving away 1/6 to Bunny, there are 5/6 left for Spiky and Curly to share. Can we figure out how much of the chocolate bar goes to Spiky and how much of it goes to Curly? Let's be systematic. Do you agree with what our friends are suggesting in method 3? They were wondering whether or not these are possibilities. Some of us think that it is not possible because Spiky and Curly must get at least something. But others may think that this is possible. I will leave that to you, whether to accept this or not. Whatever the case is, method 3 is about working systematically so that we can try to find out all the possibilities. Do you think these are all the possibilities? Some of us are also able to see that some of these fractions can be simplified, meaning 3/6 can also be written as 1/2. 2/6 can also be written as 1/3. Can I also leave that to you if you wish to simplify some of the fractions? So today is a clever day. We have method 1, we have method 2, and we also have method 3. If you understand any one of the methods, you have learned today's lesson well. Dear colleagues, that is one way to present an anchor task. There are many ways to present anchor tasks, but whatever we do, make sure we provide students with the opportunity to learn whatever they need to learn through a single problem. To paraphrase Pólya, it is better for students to solve one problem in 5 ways than to solve 5 different problems. Provide ample opportunities at exploration before structured learning. That's from Dean's theory. Provide concrete materials. Provide visuals, pictorial representations before they move on to abstraction. That is Bruner's CPA approach. Make sure there's ample opportunities for interaction and conversation. That is based on Vygotsky's theory. Also, Piaget's idea of children using their own natural spoken language to grapple with abstract ideas. Focus on conceptual understanding rather than tricks, formula, procedures. That is Scam's theory. In a structured discussion, you would expect the struggling learners to be able to come up with at least one method outlined in method 1. For average learners, they should be able to come up with method 1 and method 2. And if they're advanced learners in the class, method 3 and beyond are some possibilities for them to challenge themselves. In this video, we see how we can implement an anchor task and conduct structured discussion.